Dr. Martin here with our micro lecture from week 2, number 4 on troubleshooting. Okay, this video covers some super basic troubleshooting steps. The idea here is to figure out what the problem is clearly and then go through kind of a standard process to verify what's happening and try to find a fix. Now, for example, you just hooked up a new camera and you're not sure if it's a hardware or software issue, right? And so first you plug in the camera, make sure that your computer recognizes it, see if there's any drivers you need to download, see if the light power's on, see if any of the software is recognizing it. That will help you tell the difference between a software and a hardware problem. Once you find out if it's a hardware problem or a software problem, then you can go through further steps to try to figure out how to fix the problem. Now, a lot of times Word has some of these features built in. So if you plug something in USB, it should pop up on your computer and say, hey, you just plug this in. What do you want to do next with it? And then you go through a process, right? Or if you're installing software, it's gonna, you're gonna download it, you're gonna double click on it, and it's gonna install and go through a process and ask you questions like, how do you want to install it? Where do you want to install it? Which features do you want to install? And then make sure you're aware. Now, if you're not familiar enough with the device, with the problem, you can't tell if it's a software problem or hardware problem, that's when we ask for help. And it's important to understand that we clearly explain when the problem happened and what you have tried to do to fix it, right? Troubleshooting is a process. It's not about guessing. And in the next video, we're going to talk about asking for help from people and from AI. All right, thanks again for watching this short video, and our fifth and final video will be next. So hopefully you're enjoying these and watching them and getting ready to take that quiz. So I'll see you in a few minutes.